All right, guys, what's going on? So today, the sun's about to go down. I'm gonna be testing this baby out.
Soon enough, the snow's gonna be coming down too. So.
Yeah, that's gonna be a separate video. It is gonna be a blizzard tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot with this in the blizzard or the 50 mil. I might switch out. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna try and shoot some wide-angle street photography and see where it takes us. So we're headed towards the waterfront now. So let's get to it. 1250, not too bad. The f2.8 helps with the light, keeps the ISO down a little bit, which is nice. But oh, maybe get a subway shot here. I think that's nice. Man, the wide, see, I like the shots, but it's just so far away. You really got to get up to your subject when you're using this lens. I wonder when that's gonna power on.
What? Oh, the Chicago soon. Sundown is happening very soon.
Oh, you want to try the divvy shot again?
Sure,
The divvy shot with the wide. Man, I don't know how to frame this though.
So good for repetition each shot. Same line, perspective line.
You gotta get really close for it to be.
Oh yeah. Get those dynamic angles going for you, John.
Not bad.
Yeah, I don't believe it, guys, too.
I want to get some of the depth.
I love these L stations. They're so great.
You can get way up to things. Nice bokeh going.
You're cooking with there.
Yeah, dude, it is super wide. I keep saying that, but I mean, I did shoot with a 10mm before on my Canon. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Canon, yeah.
So I think that was wider than this, unless it was cropped. I didn't know too much about like cameras back then.
You had like a pseudo fisheye. I just about poked my eye out with the branch while you're setting up your shot.
See if we can do something with these white lines or the salt trails maybe. I don't know. Dang, looking up is cool too.
Want a challenge?
What's up?
If you want a challenge, find 3 unique compositions at this intersection.
This intersection, okay. 3 unique,
Up to the 2.
3 comps. Okay, we got 4 corners. How these buildings look. Oh, I see one right here. I'm gonna have to cross. I'll be back. Man, this thing is wide. Jeez. Got a couple.
Good for you.
Man, the snow's really starting to come. Dang it. This glass is so wide that it's really gonna stick here. Trying to keep it down as much as I can.
down.
Look at them all running and eating the salt. That's gross. It's freaking nasty. I wonder how close I can get to them. Oh, there's a white one in there. Dude, they're eating salt. They are eating straight up salt for the snow. That is nasty. Oh no, it's rice. It's rice, look. I wonder if we can fill the shot, even though it's a wide angle, with pigeons.
The closer you get, the more they fret.
That's crazy.
It's not us who dropped the butt, it's fine.
This glass is doing pretty good keeping the snow off. I'm kind of surprised. No, but the thing is, it lands on it. I don't know if it melts and then evaporates, but
Look at how the color changes in the snow over there. Got the a7sii vibe right here. Tripod out.
where are we?
Got the shot clamped.
That?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Honest shoot Mr. Saxman again.
There you go.
One more time. You gotta get really close with this. I want it even closer, to be honest. It just feels really weird. I think sticking with the 35 to 50, unless you're doing maybe architecture shots, otherwise wide isn't the best way to go for subjects unless you're really down to get hella close to people. Like, look at that, look how close I am to this kid.
Hi.
And I get his whole face. So something to keep in mind if you're thinking about getting this lens
buddy.
for street photography specifically. Oh no, you're right where I want you. Man. Man, this is rough.
street stuff. You do a lot of street photography. Yeah.
We're taking advantage of the snow. It looks super cool in shots.
Some stuff looks cool. It's just, oh man, it's getting the lenses
the
and
lenses
everything.
get really wet.
You have no idea.
Are you doing with GoPro? Is it GoPro?
Yeah, I make like videos, and then when I take the shot, I put the shot on there to show the people.
Oh. Have fun.
Happy New Year's.
Take care.
I'll be the best. Oh.
Oh, well, that didn't work. it's a miracle. You
Wait, we came back down?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
I like the camera.
Thank you. Very hard to take photos when there's this much snow out. Thought we'd give it a try, but it's kind of hard. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
Take care.
Take care. Following any sort of media.
Yeah. All right.
Just take shots from inside here and just call it a day.
I think that's a great idea. Yikes. Woo! Holy cow. Oh, check it out. I think I got a shot of that building before, just straight on, if I recall correctly. That's a cool sign. Elevator. What is that? Oh my. Action movie hero jump right here. No,
Boulevard.
nobody can make that jump.
It's called the drop.
Look at this though, this is like crazy. What's my ISO at? Oh, 12,000. Jesus Christ.
Top zone. Boulevard.
So beautiful.
What's up with this elevator, dog?
Are we stuck in here?
We're stuck. We are stuck. Let's open it up and go to another one.
Yeah, door open.
All right, let's
I don't know if I trust that. Made a strange noise and stopped. All right, this one works.
I hope. This elevator won't let you down, let me tell you.
Dude, look at this picture. It's like from 1983.
Good Lord.
Jesus. Oh my God, look at the tile. Looks like they're underwater. That's beauty. And the plum, like, blazer she's got on. Not to mention the perm.
Yeah, the plum blazer and perm. You're talking like, oh my God.
Straight out of the 80s here. Maybe that's why that elevator didn't work. It hasn't been inspected since the 80s. Like, inclement weather.
Called me.
Nice. Oh, there you go.
I tried, buddy. I tried making that shot. It didn't quite work.
You didn't try hard enough.
Probably not, no.
Oh my God, it's as slippery as SHIT. There's nobody driving this bus. I can get right up to it. Pretty cool. Here we go. There's a woman right in there. I didn't even see her. Let's test the depth on this lens. Let's get to 2.8 and see what we can pull. Or this little thing here.
Yeah, short of the
I like that depth. That's nice. Get a little back actually, get more of it, take advantage of that 12 millimeters.
Clear.
Okay. In the clear, Janier.
Yeah, you walk.
In the shot with this wide. I honestly would not recommend this for street photography unless you really want to touch the person with your camera.
Well, for subject shooting, no.
No, architecture, fantastic if that's what you're going for. You want to shoot buildings mostly. Interiors also, it's really good for.
Interiors and exteriors, but if you're looking for subject photography, no.
Anyway, I'm gonna switch to the 50. That's gonna be the next video. I think I'll be able to get a lot better shots with that. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the next one.